Welcome to Easy Software. In this video, we are going to see purchase payable. Purchase payable means we have bought items from supplier, and to know the details of how much money we have to give to the supplier in the bill-wise manner is known as purchase payable. First, go to purchase menu. In this, you can see purchase payable. By clicking this, the purchase payable screen opens here. In this screen, you can see all supplier option. By clicking this all suppliers bill-wise balance we have to give will load here. Next, by selecting a particular supplier, we can see the details of that particular supplier. Or by selecting particular place, we can get the details of how much money we have to give to the supplier who is in that place. Now click all supplier and then click view. Now you can see the details of how much money we have to give to each supplier. In the first column, you can see the supplier name. In the next one, the bill's total amount of the items we have bought from the supplier in 30 days or less than that. In the next column, the bill's total amount of the period of 31 to 60 days. Next column contains the bill's total amount of 61 to 90 days. Next one is 91 to 120 days of bill's total amount, and the next contains 121 to 150 days of total amount, and the next column has the total amount of all bills above 151 days. In the last column, you can see the total balance. Now you can see in each column, like below 30 days, total appears straight down its column. 31 to 60 days of total amount appears straight down its column. The total amount and the grand total amount we can see here. Totally, we can see the pending details of all the suppliers, and also we can see the total amount details to which bill we have to give money to that supplier. Now, if you want to see the bill-wise details of one particular supplier means for each supplier there is a separate line appears here. Now, if you want to see the details for which bill we have to give how much of money to one particular supplier means which supplier you want to see like that, select that supplier and press enter key. Now you can see all the pending bill details of that particular supplier. Now for these bills, we still have to pay the money. In this, you can see bill date, bill number, that party's name, that bill amount. Next, how much money we have already given for this bill. And next, how much balance money we have to pay for this bill. How many days had gone after we received the bill, and if we have typed any notes in that bill means you can see that too. In last column, you can see the bill type. So it will show you what type of bill is this, either purchase bill or expense type purchase bill. For this reason, the last column, bill type column is there. Now we can export these details to Excel by clicking Export Excel option. In the same way, you can convert these details to A4 sheet by selecting Print and Export option. Now if you click Export Excel, this data will convert into Excel. Likewise, if you click Print and Export, this data will convert into a printable way in an A4 sheet. You can send email, at the same time you can export it also. You can see formats like PDF, HTML, picture file, etc. So you can export in any formats like this. Next, let us see the details of a particular supplier or the details of all suppliers who are all in a particular place. Now let us see the details of a particular supplier. If you know the name of that particular supplier, then type it. For example, let us see Rahul Dichem and click view. Now it shows the pending details of that particular supplier. In this also, select the line and press enter. You can see all the pending bill details of that particular supplier. If you want to see the pending amount details of all the suppliers in a particular place, Then click particular place and type that place name. For example, let us type Mumbai. Select Mumbai and click view. Now we can see the details of how much amount still we have to give to the suppliers who are in Mumbai. In this also you can do export Excel and print and export whenever you want. So in this purchase payable screen, we can see the details of how much money we have to give to the supplier for which bill and how many days gone after we receive the bill. All these details we can see in it. Hope you guys enjoy this video. See you in another video. Thank you.